So hey babes, remember that we had our Easter pre-order collection launch that you guys placed your orders for, and remember I mentioned that we were waiting for the items to be delivered from the vendor, and some of those items actually came in. So I'm doing an unboxing for you guys, and I'm going to show you guys your items before they get shipped out to you. So today I'm going to be filming the content and everything for the linen blend pants in Mocha, the linen blend pants in Ink Blue again, because I previously showed you guys those items, but this is just going to show you guys again. And I also have requests to show the items in different sizes. So for those of you that requested to see it in different sizes, you're going to see that on this video here. And also for the light blue Smocked Jumpsuit. So that's the pretty one that everyone loves, and it works on so many different body types. So yeah, and remember that those items are available in sizes small to 3X. So and also another tip is that well, like another little thing to let you guys know is that if you place the pre-order item, those items will be shipped out to you starting tomorrow. So for the linen blend pants in both of those colors that are offered in the Smocked Jumpsuits, I'm going to be shipping those out to you guys tomorrow. Any of the other items, I'm going to be doing just like this, showing you guys as they come in and then letting you guys know that your item is going to be shipped out. So just be on the lookout for your tracking information and everything, and to keep updated with when you'll actually receive your items. So yeah, that's that. I'm going to show you guys the Mocha pants, the linen blend pants, and these are a neutral girl's dream. I love this color so much.
So cute.
Thank you,
I love it. See, that's why you should wear it every single day.
Oh, thank you. You are so sweet. He said that's why I should wear them every single day. Well, they are an everyday pants. So these are literally going to be your everyday wear pants for spring and summer. You can style them in so many different ways. They're so versatile, just like I mentioned in the other video whenever I premiered them in the ink blue color. And they're available in other colors. So if you want these in different colors, just let me know, and I'll place orders for those items and have them ready to ship and on hand, so that way all I gotta do is just bag it up for you and ship it out to you. So remember in the previous video that I mentioned that these have triple pockets on them. So they have the diagonal side pockets right here, they've got the side pockets on the leg, and then they've got the pockets right here on the butt. Remember also that they have a drawstring waist, they're mid-waisted, they have a relaxed pants leg fit, they're long, so they're tall girl friendly, and also they have comfortable stretch. So as you can see, this is a size small, they stretch well, and look, let me undo the drawstring so that way you can really see it. That's how far they stretch. That's how far they go. And this is a size small, remember, so that's pretty good. And remember that the linen blends. So linen in itself is not very stretchy, but when you blend it with another material like rayon, they become stretchy, and they're also more durable, easier to care for than if they were just linen by themselves. So fun fact, keep that in mind. Materials are important whenever you're ordering your items. And you guys requested to see these in extra large on camera, so here you go. I'm gonna stand up, matter of fact, so that way you can kind of see how they are on me. So this is where my waist ends, and this is where the extra large ends, you can see. So they have a great fit. You don't have to worry about them running small or anything. They run true to size, true to US sizing. Let me mention that also. And this is the stretch on the 1X. Look at that.
That looks
awesome
so
stretch.
Good.
Yes, they do look good. Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome.
And you also requested to see the 2X on camera. So here we go with those. This is the 2X. Remember, my waist stops right here. This is where the 2X stops. And let me take the drawstring loose so that way you can see the stretch on these. So this is 2X. Super stretchy.
I like that one.
So you do not have to worry about these running
like,
super small or
stretch
them
it.
not fitting, because they've got some stretch to them. So yeah, babes, remember, be on the lookout for your items.
Be on the lookout.
Like I said, with these and the other items that were featured in the pre-order collection, like the linen blend pants, the smocked jumpsuit, and the other items that I'm going to be filming the content for of that got shipped today. Just remember, how you coming pop your head in? Just remember that these are available and ready to ship. So we do have inventory, and they will not switch over to showing up as a pre-order on the website until these sell out, and then it automatically kicks in to let me know how much more to order from there. So that's why it'll be listed as a pre-order. But yeah, love you, babes.
Love you, baby.
Stay tuned for the rest of the content of what I'm going to be showing you guys.
I'm going to be showing you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you.
So, babes, these are going to be our ink blue pants. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys our plus sizes in 1X, 2X, and 3X because you guys requested to see plus sizing on camera in these pants. So here we go. And remember that they're also available in plus size in the mocha color. So these are full size run from small to 3X. This is the 1X up against me. I am a size small. And remember that these sizes are true to US sizing. So you don't have to worry about them running too small or not fitting. And let me just fully release the drawstring on them. As you can see, super stretchy. This is them stretched out up against me. And this is the 1X. Next, I'm going to be showing you guys the 2X.
And 3X.
So this is with the drawstring tied and stretched out up against me. This is with the drawstring untied. This is the stretch of the 2X. And that's how far they stretch out. So super stretchy. My plus size girlies, y'all don't have to worry about nothing. I got you, boo. And this is our 3X.
Yes.
This is them up against me with the drawstring tied. And this is them stretched out up against me. So yeah. And remember, in these pants, do not order a size up. Do not order a size down. They fit true to size. I am a true size small. They fit me perfectly, and I had room to spare if I needed some stretch. So order this in your actual size. Don't order a size up, don't order a size down. So yeah, babes, those were the linen blend pants. You get to see them in the 2 colors that we have offered on the website. And remember that they're in a size small all the way up to 3X. So we accommodate everybody, and love you, babes. So hey babes, I'm back, and I'm going to be showing you guys our smocked jumpsuit that is featured on the collection and was a part of our pre-order collection. So remember, I mentioned that if you placed your item for the pre-order, if you placed this in order for this jumpsuit or the linen blend pants, your items will be shipped out tomorrow. So be on the lookout for the tracking information for your order, and stay tuned with the updates and everything to see exactly when you'll be receiving your item. So here we go. This is in a size 1X because you guys requested to see the plus sizes on camera. So do not fret, we're here to show you. And I am a true size small in US sizing. This is the 1X. As you can see, it's super stretchy. Remember, this is 100% rayon. Perfect for spring and summer. The same wide leg, ruffled leg, just like how you saw in the previous unboxing video. It's made the same way as it is in the smaller sizes. Super stretchy. So yeah, got the same straps and everything.
It is super stretchy, and I like it.
And it's super comfortable.
Yep,
huh?
and I love
How would
the
you
color
know? You
blue.
never even wore this. You're a boy. You can't wear it.
Well, I'm saying it feels
It
stretchy
feels soft
and good.
and stretchy.
Mhm.
Good.
And I like this right here, the thing.
Mm-hmm. Well, good. I'm glad you like it. It's G3 approved, y'all. So
Yes, I'm approved, and
you approve it?
I'm the one that give my mom a lot of likes of her stuff from her website,
do. They
Beautique
love you,
Arie.
They definitely love you.
Yep, they always
And I love you too.
Yep.
So guys, this is the same jumpsuit in a size 2X. So even more stretchy, as you can see. Even more stretch in the pants and hip area.
Yep.
This is it up against me.
Yep.
Up against my waist. As you can see, do not have to worry about it
Nope.
running too small or not being stretchy enough. It's got a lot of give. This is the pants leg. Ain't the same. And remember, this runs true to US sizing, so don't size up, don't size down. Order your exact size that you are in US sizing. And here's the jumpsuit in 3X. Let me make sure. Yep, 3X. So here it is up against me. This is the stretch. Super stretchy. This is the pants leg. This is it up against my waist. As you can see. So there we have it. And remember that this jumpsuit is 100% rayon, so it's perfect for summer. Super breathable, a very good long lasting quality material. So yeah, and also remember that, like I mentioned before with the previous item, these are available and ready to ship because I placed in order in excess. So you guys that place your pre-order items, you'll be getting those. And then if you missed out on the pre-order and you want to place your order for the item, these items are going to be switched from pre-order on the website to place your order now, like order now as the option. And you can get it shipped to you, so have no fear. We have them in stock and available for you. But once they sell out, then they will switch over back to pre-order, and it'll get a count automatically to let me know how many more to order from there, and then I'll place the next order. So make sure that you place your order before the items sell out, and then you'll have to wait until the next shipment comes, and we don't like to have to wait. We like to be able to have our stuff readily available. So to avoid that, place your orders. Go right over to boutiquearie.com. So that's www.beautiquearie.com and place your orders. And yeah, love you, babes. See you in the next one.